Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you a step-by-step warm-up process. When you're managing multiple Twitter accounts for outreach, you can use it for how to DM, how to like and comment. So this is the thing that you need to know when you're managing multiple Twitter accounts. First you will need to prepare the account with cookie or 2FA code for both like this. So this is my account. I will have a username, pass. This is 2FA code, this is email, this is passmail. So the account with full information like this, you can log in directly. Next, when you're using multiple Twitter account, you will need to use proxy. And I recommend you using one IP for one account, static V for residential or mobile proxy. And you can use automation software to manage all the account on single dashboard. Okay, this is the software that I use for managing multiple Twitter account. You can see first we have the account management. Here will help you to add and manage unlimited number of Twitter account. And you can see this is my account and I can attach proxy like this. Each account will have a different IP address. And you can zoom in and use it just like a normal browser. Next when you load up. So day one after you connect the account to the software, adding proxy you will log into the account and leave it to rest for one day. I have the video about how to add account with this software. You can check on my channel. And you will attach proxy and log in like I do. Next in day 2 and day 3 day for 5, 6, 7. We will create automation scripts so you can warm up the account. Basically, the script will mimic the real actions of a person. So it will increase the trust of the account. Like here in day 2 I will set up like scroll new feed 10 to 15 minutes. Like 3 to 5 post, follow 3 to 5 people. Do some retweet and some post. And in day 3 here this is the action that I will do in day 3. Day 4 day 5, 6, 7 will be repeat in day 3 there. And in day 8 we will still. And in day 8 we will start doing outreach like how to post content, how to comment, how to DM and how to follow. So this is the warm-up process that I recommend. Okay, I will show you how to set up a script. We will go to here and then I'll click to introduction script. Here will help you to make in script so you can run the account. I'll click to add new script. And here I will set up this will be day 2. So I will set up day 2. And then I will do the action like read notification. Like some post, repost, scrolling new feed. I will scroll 10 to 15 minutes. So I will set up here. I would like 2 to 3 post and you can bookmark. Or you can follow some people. 3 to 5. And if you want to comment, you will enter the comment content here with a spin structure. There's to number because each account will randomly choose a number between. So it will avoid duplicate of all the account. And then I will count 5 action. So I will enter here 5 action. And I will enter the break interval time in 10 to 15 seconds. Then I will press save, OK. So I will have the script data here. And then you will go to viral marketing, and you choose post tweet. Here will help you to auto post tweet on multiple accounts. So you can posting content so make the account look real. So start doing outreach. And here in day 4 we would change the information. Like profile picture, bio, name. So here I will go to update information. And here you can change information like avatar, banner, name, bio, website, location. And you can go to change advanced information. So you can change the username, or the email, or the password there. Basically in day 4 we will change the information here there. And in day 8 we will start doing outreach. Outreach you will post content. Or you could go to auto comment, or to DM and follow. If you want also DM then you will need to purchase premium for your account. And you will go to here viral marketing. And here you can do outreach like comment by keyword. Send DM here. Up top post, join community, or to like or to comment. Okay, so basically that is the step that you know when warm up the account for doing outreach. If you need more information please contact me my Telegram or WhatsApp. The detail I pinned down below the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe to Jung's Social Tools channel. And here I will run the interaction script, so you can see the date that I set up. Okay. I will set up 25 thread and then I will choose the account. And I press start. and you can see it also opened the browser. And then start interacting in the script that I set up. Okay, you can watch the whole process on the screen. See you in next video.